1. Restart your PC. Yes, really. A fresh reboot can temporarily clear memory leaks or hung processes causing high usage. 2. Check Task Manager for resource hogs. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Sort by memory, CPU, or disk usage. Look for suspicious or high resource apps like Runtime Broker, Windows Search, Third-party antivirus, Chrome with too many tabs. Right-click End Task for anything you don't need if safe. 3. Disable startup programs. Too many background apps launch at boot. Open Task Manager Startup Apps tab. Disable unnecessary entries like OneDrive if unused, Microsoft Teams, Adobe Spotify updaters. 4. Turn off background apps. Go to Settings Apps Installed Apps. Click the 3 dots next to Unneeded Apps Advanced Options. Set background app permissions to never. 5. Scan for malware. Critical step. Malware often causes abnormal CPU RAM usage. Use Windows Security Virus Threat Protection or a trusted tool like Malwarebytes for deeper scans. 6. Disable SysMain Superfetch. This can spike memory and disk usage on low-end PCs. Press Win plus R type services.msc. Find SysMain right-click properties. Set startup type to disabled. Click Stop. 7. Adjust Windows performance settings. Press Win plus R type sysdm.cpl. Go to Advanced Performance Settings. Choose Adjust for best performance or custom. Disable animations and effects that eat memory. 8. Turn off search indexing optional. Press Win plus R type services.msc. Find Windows Search right-click properties. Set startup type to disabled if not needed. 9. Use Storage Sense. Clears temporary files that can cause slowdowns. Go to Settings System Storage Sense. Turn it on and configure automatic cleanup. 10. Update drivers and Windows. Run Windows Update. Use Device Manager to update drivers, especially display adapters, GPU, network adapters, audio drivers. 11. Disable unused visual effects. Press Win plus I System About Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. Choose Custom uncheck. Animate windows. Fade slide menus. Shadows under Windows. 12. Increase virtual memory page file. Press Win plus R sysdm.cpl. Advanced Performance Settings. Advanced Virtual Memory click Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage. Set a custom size. Initial 1.5 RAM. Max 3 RAM. EG for 8 GB RAM 1200 MB 2400 MB.